In this video, we will be replacing the downstream oxygen sensor in this 2012 Ford F150. We're going to start by taking a look underneath the vehicle. I have raised the vehicle and supported it with safety stands. I also have wheel chocks and have set the parking brake. Taking a look underneath the vehicle towards the passenger side front tire, we're going to locate our exhaust system. Specifically, we are locating the catalytic converter. And taking a look at that catalytic converter, we can see that oxygen sensor sticking out of the top, and that is going through a heat shield. So we need to consider that. And to make this a little bit easier, I am going to be cutting the oxygen sensor wire. This will allow me to slip the box end of a 22 millimeter combination wrench over that sensor so that I can get securely on there. And I will spray this with Amsoil metal protector just to aid in the removal process. And using a little persuasion, we can work that oxygen sensor loose to the point where we can unscrew it by hand. And we can follow the rest of the wire to our wiring harness. There is a small tab on the back that we need to depress as we work that wiring harness off the connection point. And I do like to compare my new part with my old part just to make sure that the connectors are the same and everything looks similar. And it is worth noting that anti-seize has already been applied to this new sensor. And we can continue by installing our new part into the oxygen sensor location. There is not much access or room to get your hand or tools in there, so this is probably one of the more difficult aspects of this job, is just getting that started properly. This will need to be torqued to 35 foot-pounds. I am snugging it down with a combination wrench, and ideally if you can get a clawfoot torque wrench on there would be beneficial. There's definitely not enough room for a standard setup. And lastly, we do want to reconnect our wiring harness connection point, and this repair should be complete.